Python is like a universal translator for your ideas. You can use it to make games, websites, analyze data, and even control robots. And the best part? It's easy to learn. Let me start with something simple, variables. Think of them as boxes where you store information.
Okay, let's see if I got this. Name equals Maya. Age equals 14. Print name. And run. Ooh, it worked. It says Mayan on the screen. Ha! I'm a programmer now. Wait, what happens if I mess up? Let me try something crazy.
Debugging is like solving a mystery. When your code doesn't work, don't panic. Python will usually tell you what's wrong. Just read the error message carefully. And remember, every great programmer was once a beginner. Mistakes are how you learn.
Yes. I fixed it. I can't believe I just wrote my first program without any errors. Miss Priya was right, debugging isn't so bad. Now, what's next? Maybe? A game? Python, here I come.
Python isn't just a language, it's a way to create, to explore, and to solve problems. Whether you build a simple app or a complex AI, the journey starts with small steps. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be amazed at what you can do. Let's keep going.